One part of your UCAS reference is your teacher reference. In their teacher reference, your teacher will tell us a bit about the school that you go to, and of course they will tell us about you and your strengths and your attainment and why you might be suitable for the course that you have chosen to apply to through UCAS. Different schools have different ways of organising how they will supply the teacher reference, but a typical way of doing it is that all of your subject teachers will submit a bit of information about you, perhaps to the director of sixth form or to your form tutor, and then they will collate it together into a reference that will be sent to us via UCAS. Now, you don't have to collect that reference yourself. Your teachers write it, and then when you put the buzzword into your UCAS application, it links your application to your school and to your teacher's reference. Something that you might want to do, however, is talk to your teachers about your ambitions and the courses that you're applying for. It can be really helpful for teachers to know what your future ambitions are, just so that they're aware of that when they are writing your teacher reference for you. It might also be the case that there's something that you've done that you're really proud of, perhaps a super curricular activity that you've done that your teacher might not know about, but you would like them to be aware of, and then they can include that in their reference. There's also a portion of the UCAS teacher reference which is reserved for teachers to talk about any extenuating circumstances. So if there's been any obstacles in your educational journey so far, your teacher will have the opportunity to tell us about those. Your teacher will probably be aware of those already, but again, it might be worth just flagging to your teacher if there's anything that you particularly want them to mention in that portion of the reference. If you are a teacher watching this video, we have lots of helpful information on the University of Cambridge website about what sorts of things Cambridge admissions tutors are looking for in the teacher reference, so do have a look at that. In particular, admissions tutors at Cambridge will be looking for quantitative data about students, so for example, how that student is performing in relation to the rest of their year group in their school or college. So, in summary, if you're a teacher and you want to find out more about teacher references, you can have a look on our website. If you are applying to university via UCAS this year, make sure that you talk to your teachers about your future plans so that they can reference them when they are writing your teacher reference.